Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Carrie Rodriguez and today I'm going to share with you the finished product of what I had made. I just kind of off camera, I didn't really know exactly what I wanted to do with the blank pages, so I just came up with something which I'll show you right now. So this is what we made. It is 5 1/4 by 3 1/2. And I took the wire off, and I think it looks perfect there. So we'll just flip through it. So here on the back of the front page, I put the napkin. And then I left the coffee dyed, or I think this was tea dyed paper. And then on this page, I added this. It was just too plain, too white. I left that stamp in there. Oops, sorry. So I put that image from another printable. I like how it turned out. And then here's the next page. And then on this one, I put this double pocket. And so here I have this tag. And then I put some tabs. And then right here I added this tag. I found these at the Dollar General store and they came, I just threw the package away. I think it was 16 for $1 and they're blank. It doesn't say the to and from, so I love it. So I got several packages of those. They're all different. I can show them to you real quick. I have them right here, actually. I got 3 packages. So there's those. And then here, the door, a sled, the car, Merry Christmas. That one's pretty. So I got all of these for $3, and there's a lot of them there. Oh, I forgot these. And this one, and the bells, and the candy canes. So all of these for $3. Okay, and then right here I added this tag. I left these pages, and then here I put, it has the word Christmas and church. So this is an old dictionary page. And then we did that stamping on camera the last time. And then in this one, I just put a little tag. And we still have that one there. And these too, I found at Walmart, and they were blank on the inside. So I like that it doesn't have the to and from. I did this off camera. I added this image here, and I put these 2 papers. I like how that turned out. And then on this side, I put this Project Life card. And that was it. So it's a nice, perfect size little journal. It would be a great, easy beginner's journal. And a nice gift for the holidays to give somebody in their stocking or at work. So I really enjoyed making it. I think I'm going to make a few more. So let me know what you think. And if you make one, I'd love to see it. And I will, again, in this video, list the printables that I used. I love that image. So cute. So let me know what you think. I'll be making another video shortly, so I should have another one up by tomorrow. And thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to visit me on my Facebook page, Carrie's Workshop, and check out my Etsy shop. If you are in the process of making Christmas items, I have a kit available and a couple journals. So go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.